We all live in a world bursting with possibilities. Every day brings something new to discover, and the flood of impressions seems endless. However, too many impressions can be overwhelming, making it hard to switch off. Hi, I'm Jutta Schneider, a teacher, illustrator and designer based in Germany. And in this class, I invite you to join me in slowing down and relaxing together. Today, I'll show you a creative way to unwind. With my method called Mindful Azulejo Drawing, you can not only relax and find your inner calm, but also awaken your creativity. I'll show you how therapeutic it is to create simple, colorful patterns in Procreate. First, I'll share a bit about the history of azulejos. Then, we'll dive right into the creative process. I'll guide you through 5 different ways to decorate a tile, from basic geometric shapes to delicate floral patterns. I'll teach you the various symmetry functions in Procreate and provide a brief introduction to the world of seamless repeating patterns. Additionally, I'll show you how to depict the joints and add shading for a more natural look. I'm confident that once you grasp these techniques, you will feel the calming effect of painting azulejos, and it'll be as challenging for you as it is for me to stop painting. Plus, we'll have created something beautiful that we might use to enhance our homes or offer on print-on-demand platforms. This class is for anyone who is looking for ways to relax, who wants to boost their creativity, who appreciates Portuguese Spanish ceramics, and who enjoys painting on the iPad in Procreate. So are you ready to slow down your daily life and find inspiration in a creative way with me? Then let's get started. I will see you in class.